Oh yeah, we got a shark.
Come to the lake.
Okay.
Hey, I got a fish.
Frankie, come. Oh, it feels so good out here. Frankie, they got rid of the seaweed and they raked the sand for us. Feels amazing out here. Look who else we got. Feels good, huh? Yeah.
This is the tent, a pop-up tent.
Light everything up like. ¿Qué estás pegando, mía? Oh nej! Pega Noah, pega! Pega Noah! Rápido, rápido! Yeah! The beach is back to normal, thank goodness. Say goodbye to the seaweed.
We've never had beach chairs.
The first casts are always the worst. Assim, ok. Segura, tá segurando. 4, 2, 3, vai! We've been a little busy boogie boarding. I haven't reeled in for a while. I haven't seen any bites yet. Lost my bait. All right, lost all my baits, so I'm gonna bait it back up, get it back out there. Yeah. Segura. Yeah. Nice. It's drifted over. Mia, nice. Mia, no bebe a água. Mikey, leave it. Oh, Noah. Mia. Hey, we're not skunked. It's catfish, but we're not skunked. Mikey, stay down. Okay, Belle, pass. Yeah, catfish. Cá? Cá? Eddie, your first fish! Eddie, your first fish, dude! Eu vou jogar na água. Ok. Isso aqui é um beijo? Frankie. Tá? This one's drifted down the beach enough for me to at least reel it in. Oh, hey, Mia, Noah! Lost my bait. You got a bite. I think we got a bite. I think we got a bite, Mia. I think we got a bite. It's on my bait. Tem, Mia. Mia, o que é? É um... Squid. Ai, no, no, no. Ai, Mia, volta para a água. Doink. Boa. This one's acting a little fishy. Yeah, I was just hitting the wave. Bite, we got a bite, we got a bite. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I think we have a shark. Frankie, come. Frankie. Oh, Frankie. Woo! Woo! Oh yeah, we got a shark. We got a shark. Beautiful shark. Frankie, get back. Okay. Woo-hoo-hoo! Look how pretty it is. Whoa! Okay. Got ourselves, I think it's a black tip. I'm not sure. I'm not really good at sharks. Baby shark. You want to Quer tocar? That was awesome. That was a pretty shark. Pretty color. Very cool. As I was getting the shark in and as I was helping the girls out, my thing got really slack and dragged it over. I think Frankie got tangled up in it. Yeah, I drifted a lot. Hopefully that means there's a fish on it. Oh yeah, I think we got one. Oh, babe, I think we have a stingray. A stingray. It's a tiny one. We got a baby stingray. How about that? Shark to stingray. Oi, where'd he go? You can't see him, but got him out there. Let's go, shark to stingray. Okay, tá pronto? Yeah! Woohoo! Oh. We got a bite here. Just in the waves. Active fishing. Yeah. Yeah, we got a whiting. We love whiting. Not big enough to keep, but we love seeing this. É chamado whiting. Conseguia segurar? Whoa! Whoa, Mia! I feel like I'm getting tricked by the waves a little bit. Yeah, I'm getting tricked. It's been acting weird. It was acting just weird enough. Tiny little cat. Nada. It feels like I got a snag. It feels like it's anchored. That was crazy. I must have just had a giant ray because my line was not moving at all. It was like I got caught like a snag in a river, like I caught a log, it just wouldn't move at all. Nothing was running. I had to walk out of the ocean, you can just get close to it. Eventually it popped off, but there's no snags in the ocean. Unless there's a giant seaweed ball down there. My guess, because it wasn't running at all, it's probably just a giant stingray. That was heavy. Kind of cool.
Pølse til deg. Pølsen er veldig god pølse. Skal du legge den her? Kan du spise, ja.
keep going.
Hey, I got a fish. Frankie. On the hook. Frankie ran into the line.
Oh, and brought it over. Got ourselves a cat. You got a bite, you got a bite. Whiting! Love us some whiting. Pop goes the weasel. How's that, monkey boards? Okay, vamos. Hey guys, special kids. Okay, vamos para hacer boogie boards. Vamos. Venga. All right, I'm on my last cast here. Last cast. Biggest one of the day on the last cast. That honestly might be the smallest cat or the smallest fish period I've ever caught out here. It's not even the size of my palm. Cute little guy. And with a small cat and a small whiting. Love to see that. That honestly might be the smallest whiting I've ever caught. Bang! All right, what a day. Feels so good to get back to the beach. Seaweed gone, sand is all combed over for us. It was a great day. We didn't catch the most fish or the best fish, but we did catch some awesome fish. Please like and subscribe. See you out there.